Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Hope you have a good weekend. Literally as I'm recording this, Bitcoin is just absolutely smashing it. It's moving up towards a target of 60k, which was the target of that inverse head and shoulders there, guys, that we've been targeting for many weeks now, for at least a couple of weeks. So it's on its way. It's broke out at that all-time high. Basically yesterday we made a video in the channel here saying that, you know, potentially we're looking at a correction down here to this Fibonacci where we pick up the pieces and go long on Bitcoin. Basically it did come down to there. As you see, it corrected a little bit more to the 0786, but then it's pushed up even more. So then we said that our next target would be, obviously off this impulsive move here, would potentially be something like this, which would bring us up to the higher. It would actually break the all-time high just there, guys. See that? So we've actually smashed through that previous impulsive move. It looks like Bitcoin's not slowing down at the moment. It's just absolutely taking off. So it has broken its all-time high. It is in price discovery at the moment, guys. So unfortunately, it's quite difficult to chart. The fact that it's breaking out right now, what I would suggest is, so all I would say now, guys, going forward, is if Bitcoin shows signs of a correction, then I would target this Fibonacci level here. So say it tops out at our target up there, okay? So say we do get to our target of 60k in one big green candle over the next couple of days. It sort of goes up, consolidates, and then pushes on again. Say that's our target. So that would be one astronomical impulsive move there, guys, for Bitcoin, where it just shot right up to a 60k target of our inverse head and shoulders, okay? Or it may correct even lower than that. All I would do, guys, that when we show signs of a correction there, show signs of a top, is come onto the chart there and drop on the 4 hourly time frame here, guys. Drop your chart on and just bring it down to wherever the top is, where you're happy that the top is, and then you'll probably see a correction down back in to test this 0618, guys, okay? What we could potentially do now is just elongate this line here to potentially see where our resistance might actually be in this big impulsive move for Bitcoin. So you just come over here and just get this line here. It acts as a level of resistance moving up. So you may see us bounce off that today and form a bit of resistance going forward. Not an exact science, guys. You just try and put levels to see where our potential corrections and fallbacks are on this parabolic candle. Look at the size of that candle. There wasn't a great deal of volume on that candle, to be fair, guys, so I don't know what's going on there. You would expect to see, with that size candle there, of that magnitude, you would expect to see a large candle there, because look down here on the previous push there, you see that big body of volume there, and on the correction you see the big red candle there. So you do usually see a higher more volume than that. Perhaps it'll pick up, or perhaps this is just the start of an absolutely parabolic move that sends it up to this 60k, and then that's when that big candle will come in. So just keep an eye on the charts, guys. 4 hourly time frame, but it's all good. Bitcoin's broken out its all-time high. It's now in price discovery, guys. It looks like it's shooting up. It looks like it's taking the market with it as well. So we'll jump into the Ethereum chart right now, guys. But what I want to say to you, just a reminder, is wherever you think where the top is, just drag your chart from the bottom there up to the top, and then you'll sort of get a gist of where you potentially come back down to and correct in this insane impulsive move there for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to jump onto the Ethereum chart right now, guys. So looking at Ethereum, then you can see we've had a very similar breakout to Bitcoin, not quite as to the extent of Bitcoin. We are hitting a bit of resistance there. You see that level there? That's a bit of resistance, guys. So we may struggle to push through that. Failing that, you know, hopefully we can push on now with Bitcoin. We did on the 4 hourly here. You've seen that we've bounced off this 55 EMA, guys, so that's really positive. We have bounced off that 55 EMA as support. We're now getting back above this 20 EMA, so you may see us come up there, and as Bitcoin starts to correct, you may see Ethereum bounce back off this 20 EMA, and then, you know, obviously keep going in this move now, because the bull market's getting started again, guys, and Bitcoin's carrying the cargo. It's the train that carries the cargo on the tracks, guys. So yeah, it's all good. It's looking really positive. So again, not to get ahead of ourselves, I would expect to pull back, guys, and a retest of this 20 EMA just as confirmation. We've had a kind of trend reversal now. We are seeing a more of a push to the upside. To be fair, Ethereum's really bullish, guys. I mean, look at the bullish cross there. Okay, you know that we're targeting a cup and handle on the daily time frame there as well, and you've got our targets there on Ethereum. So Ethereum, we've got a target up there of 1941. We'll take a look at that chart now, actually, whilst we're in here. So you can see this particular chart here. We made this in the channel a few days ago, and we said you could basically long Ethereum and go to the beach, guys. So you can see this line here, guys. This is the neckline of the cup and handle. Potentially, if we break out this cup and handle on the 4-hourly time frame here, guys, look, that's your cup. We form the handle and we're coming back up to test this neckline. If we see a break of this neckline, we could potentially see a big pump there, guys, up to that level there at 24.30 for Ethereum. That would take us to a new all-time high. Obviously, it would smash us through that target there off the inverse head and shoulders there at 1941, and then you would be halfway to your target there of the 3K Ethereum and this trade that we set up for you guys here of a 74% long and go to the beach trade, guys. So it looks good. We are coming up to this neckline and we are testing it now, so we'll zoom in a little bit more, see what we can see. So as you can see on the 4-hourly, guys, we are approaching it, so I would definitely keep an eye on that level. At the moment on the 4-hourly chart, that looks to be roughly 1860. So if we can get through that, guys, with volume, so again, if we can get through that level, guys, 1860, probably potentially see us back test it as support and then rocket through it. You could potentially see us surging towards those levels there, guys. Take out that high there, and then obviously the all-time high there, which is currently at that level there, guys, at 20.43, and smash through that and hopefully keep going up. So good luck, guys. That's Ethereum on the 4-hourly time chart. We'll take a look at ADA now. So ADA got the big pump as well, guys, but you can see we're hitting our head on the 55 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame there. We are hitting our head on it, and we've got these bullish crosses here. What we'll do, we'll drop these, we'll keep this fib level in actually, because you can see it's acting as resistance on the way up. You can see in this impulsive move here that we have hit our head on that 55, which is a 0.5 at 112. So we do need to see ourselves push through that. Hopefully we can now fall back on this 20 EMA, guys, on the 4-hourly time frame and use it as some form of support there moving forward, and that would be the golden ratio as well, the 1.1, the $1.10 per ADA coin. Hopefully what we see now is a big pump in the alts and Bitcoin and the entire crypto market, and we see the whole market go. What we potentially could look through is a bust through this 55 EMA, guys. We may come back, test it as confirmation, and then you may see us making that new impulsive high. So you would potentially be looking at a target up here to the top of these fib levels, guys. So a target up here of $1.22 per ADA. Just get up to that previous high there and take that out. That would be great. So nail biting times, that's a really big candle, but you know what we've not seen here is the volume, guys. I don't know what's going on with that, the volume. Need more volume. Is there something wrong there with the reporting of the volume on Binance, perhaps, because I'm using the Binance? So potentially, you know, look where we're sitting, guys. We're just going through it. We're wicking. We're really toying with getting through that EMA. What we need to see is a real good push through that EMA, guys. Get a good push through there and keep going. Failing that, we may come back down, and then these levels here just target as support, guys, if we do come back down. So that's it. It's just a quick summary today, guys, because I've got a lot to cover. So please do smash that like button and do smash the subscription button and share the videos where you can, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Cheers, bye.